This Managerial Development program covers 4 domains: leadership, self-management, people management, and management practices. Designed to equip individuals with the ability to respond to economic and workplace challenges, build confidence to evolve and adapt to changing business needs by improving efficiencies and effectiveness for enhanced productivity and business profitability. The stackable learning pathways in this program comprises of planning as a management function, leading as a management function, organizing as a management function, controlling as a management function. The entire program will gear managers to collect, organize, and critically evaluate information to measure business, team, and individual performance, and promotes a professional learning experience. Develop the knowledge and skills for applied competence, achieving a certificate upon completing all the learning requirements. Development stack, purpose-driven development.